Anubhav, the delegates of Start Moving It, get ready. Copy that.
This year we are hosting the 68th Zonal NASA Student Convention of Architect Engineering. Almost around 350 plus students from 19 colleges are participating in this convention. Apart from growing, you can also think of improving your leadership skills.
I am architect Suraj Mohanty from Pilumudi College of Architecture, and I am come here to attend the ZONASA of this year, organized by OmDayal, and it's a wonderful event, very well organized.
I'm honored that I was invited for ZONASA. It's wonderful. I love the way the students are responding.
Welcome you all to the valedictory ceremony of the 68th year Zonal NASA Convention Zone 4. Congratulations to the team who is going to win. The award goes to Amateur School of Architecture and Planning. Zonal NASA Convention Zone 4. Okay, it's Z407 Pilumudi College of Architecture.